Welcome, Chili Heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelette 24/7, and today we're about to do something stupid, but this phone just skipped. But anyway, this is the better phone. We don't have to worry about 10 minutes. But I figured out why I had this haze. But anyways, we have some yellow Warthog peppers from Hellfire Farms, Jason Capsaicin. Oh, sorry. And I figured I'd do a heat feaster style pepper eating where I'll chew one. I have to chew it for at least 4 or 1 minute, and then I'll do a 5-minute afterburn. I think the afterburn was a different time, but I figured I'd eat one try to chew it for a minute and see what happens. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I figured you'd get some views. But these are massive. Yeah, let's show all of them. Get a quick run through. That's a beautiful one. I'm going to save the seeds on that one. Oops. Yeah, let's show all of them. Look at that one too. I got a box coming. It was supposed to come yesterday, but as you guys know, UPS, something's wrong with them. So, we're going to do 4 Warthogs for 4th of July. Probably going to regret not bringing the ring light out. This is going to suck, by the way. I had to psych myself up just to do it. Yeah, I am going to save the seeds. But we'll still keep it. Oh, look. It was ready. Yeah, let's go ahead, shall we? Thank you, Jason Capsaicin, Hellfire Farms Yellow Warthog Challenge. Hot right off the bat. That's another reason why I wanted to save the seeds. That was a lot of chewing of the seeds. There's one. The only way I'm gonna finish these is if I shut up. Oh, man. Wow. Whoa. Probably am saving the seeds on this one. Ow. That wasn't one of my brightest ideas. Thank the local raccoon. I'm just pouring out my eye. Ow. If I make it, we'll call this the Yellow Warthog Challenge. Ow. Starting to wah wah wah. Time's moving slow. Ow. Sorry. That's a hardcore challenge. Ow. Ouch. Do not try this at home. Sorry people have to show up when I'm doing videos. Crazy timing. 15:45. Yay! Those pods were from Jason Capsaicin at Hellfire Farms with the help of Ramona with closed loop farming. I'm gonna grow some next year. It tastes like a jalapeno, but way hotter. We'll sit here a little bit. Might as well enjoy this bird on the 4th of July. 4 warthogs on the 4th of July. Hopefully I figured this phone out. We'll see. If I post and there's no haze, I think we're good. They have a whole lot more. options. And I can see myself better. Still building. My lips are burning. It's about the only thing now. And they're burning pretty bad. But other than that, I find. Round one. I got to be able to do that 13 times. I'd still be doing it. But it's taken more to clear my sinuses. As you could hear, it just cleared everything except my nose. Once I blow it, I didn't bring no paper towels or toilet paper, whatever, anything. My tears are burning. I don't know what that one button is, or I'd hit it. Oops. Well, thank y'all for joining me. I'll probably load this raw and then play with it. But as always, thank you for watching and have a blessed day, y'all. Be safe out there too.